I wanted to briefly share a feature that I built a while ago, this four-column layout here and how it works. So how this feature works is you add this section to your store, and there's four columns with each with different images. When you hover over, you have the ability to see the title of that specific product collection. A feature like this works well with collections because you can highlight, for instance, if you were showcasing beard oils, barber equipment, and then maybe soaps, you could highlight these collections as a specific layout. You hover over it, you have the ability to edit the color that you hover and you see, as well as the text. So a feature like this is very helpful, again, for showing off collections, for showing off products. You hover over it, it gives you some functionality and it allows you to customize your store a little bit. And so I thought a collection like a custom section like this could be useful. Even if you're not highlighting collections, if you're highlighting products themselves, again, this is useful. They all link to a specific collection. So in this case, this is just a test store. So if I click on this product, it's going to take you to this specific product here. But there's many different use cases of how you could use a section like this. And I believe with the way I set it up, you can change between the amount of products that are showing up in that specific row. But again, a section like this is very helpful for you to be able to showcase different collections or products on your store. You can hover, see the title, see the colors. So if you're interested in setting something like this up in your store, you'd like me to add a section like this, you have any questions about how to set something up, you're looking for something custom like this on your store, I'd be more than happy to help you out with your Shopify store. All my information is down below. But this is just a project that I worked on that I wanted to share with you and kind of my thinking process behind it. I hope this video is helpful and thank you.